So welcome back, guys. Today I don't want to show you too much, but we have been really banging stuff out here. We have a great team and everybody is on point. Don't you love the 70s or 60s flooring? Yeah. We only had to rip up about 5 layers. So now we're coming on into the bathroom here. You can see we picked up that, it was a marble saddle we had there because we're going over this flooring and oh, there it is. That wonderful spot with the toilet, which we can all recall if you've seen the previous video. But so yeah, we had to install a new roof, entirely new heating system. You never know what you're going to get with these flip houses. So we've prepped and primed the floor. It's ready to receive the new flooring. So, you know, when we come back, you're going to see an entirely different bathroom and transformation that's just simply going to take your breath away. Oh, I didn't want to show you that new door just yet. But yeah, so that's about it. So when we return, you will see an entirely finished product, new fixtures, new outlets, new everything. This house is brand new. We really poured our heart into this house and this project, and this team has just been absolutely incredible. You know, everybody just pulls together, working 7 days a week. All right, guys, so we'll catch you soon. And when we do come back, you'll see an entirely bathroom that has been completely transformed. We'll see you soon, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the Beach Expression Shoreline Flip Edition. I just wanted to show you guys, these guys absolutely killed it today. They banged out this floor, okay? And this floor in the back sunroom, they banged that out too. Nice and tight corners, straight lines. Very, very good job. Although this one did give a little bit of trouble. It was on a slab, so you got some bouncing in the material when you're compressing it and hammering it together because it is a click and lock. But it's a LifeProof floor. Will last you a lifetime. I couldn't be happier with these guys. They did an outstanding job. Stone systems. We have our countertops. There's a little flaw. They have to come back and actually change the entire countertop. But in any event, here we are, guys. There's a floor all banged out. And here it is. Here it is called, I don't even know what the heck it's called. Hey, what kind of flooring did you guys put in here? Yeah. Hello. Sterling oak. Yeah, thanks. Sterling oak. Looks outstanding. You guys did such a great job. Look at that. Ah, man, I can't get enough of this floor. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, guys, that's it. We're out of here. Let's go, fellas.